আজি laga poila khoborti Ambassador of Japan to India Hiroshi Suzuki Aji Nagaland State Ponchigina Hiroshi to soft inauguration of Kohima Peace Memorial and Eco Park Kohima Witness Din Kalibra to participate Kulobo Kogina program kuri thakia jonai dia ase program event foundation uthai digina criminal plantation morning shift rakhilo apcheti state chief minister Nipiro lead kugena honor kani war cemetery Kohima visit kulobo aro YouTube cheti Hiroshi and Japanese team country Kohima Cathedral Second World War Museum Naga Heritage Village Kisama visit kulobo aro cultural and diplomatic ties of Japan Nagaland state takot kulobo ko dia ase Gujarat state te BJP election policy karni alag party khan ki treaten kurgina 16 candidate nomination withdraw krida ekran hogina school institution tepi alag kisa banai gina ja thaka khobor pai sabti class 4 student ekjon laga mark sheet ti out of 200 full mark 211 212 inika maths mark aro alag subject te score kurgena ja thaka social media platform sobti viral kri thaka pailuya ase Itu case connection ti authorities kan bratu system error karne ase kogina claim kra ase ulipi ita nationwide circulate kogina case choli thakya ami khan dekhibo pare ase aro Gujarat state ti BJP party khan tu oppositionless kurlobo karni alag party khan ki thamkai digina itu democracy kan riti nijor lagar right franchise exercise kurbole na pargena duk digdar face kuri thakya situation opoti withdrawal candidate khan mon bekhai thakya share kuri dia ase khobote enforcement directorate ED khan tu jar kalimande phujoti Virendra Ram case karni Jharkhand Ranchi state alag location ti red operation kanda kurgina unaccounted cash of 25 crore of rupees recover kurlo shikogina khobor dia ase sources red operation tuli prevention of money laundering act under Kanda Kugina, Virendra Ram, former chief engineer of Jharkhand Rural Development Circle under the Kanda Thakshiko ase aro Virendra Ram kun ED Khan February moinati arrest Kugina thaka issue opor poisa iman recover Thakshiko ase India desh phitoti rep hatsa toli cultural nishna hotai report pa thaka sabti Meghalaya state Eastern West Khashi Hill district ti 18 years maki ekjon opor rape attempt thagya karni accused dujon mob khanmra murai dishe kogena khobor huni pailuya ase report e hatsa toli ja Friday dinbra hogena ase aro victim maki tu tai ekla gote thakya jani pagena rape attempt karni ahatu maki hala kurgena modop mangi thakya gor osor manukhan hunya karni jama kurgena ahi jasha aro community hall loi jagena mara mari Ridisha aro police khan khobor hunya sat spot ponchigena rescue karni aija sholipi tamte bachabole napara ho jashe kogena khobor dia ase Russia Ukraine war iman lamba tanigena ja thaka homoiti UK foreign secretary David Cameron ko asapti Ukraine khan tu long range tai khan laga country bra pathai digena thakya Russia country ti mari dibole right ase kodi sholipi ta laga statement toli British target retaliation invite hesabte ase kogina Moscow khan convey kuri dia ase UK ambassador to Russia Ningal Kasitu foreign ministry opor summon kudgina Moscow khan tu British provide kuri dia missile logina Russia territory te target kuri dishe koile retaliated kuri dibo kogina warning kuri dishe itu kani hostile state machete nana aketi phabilo bole koi dia ase aro sources ti French ambassador pi foreign ministry opor summon kudigina meeting laga details ita tak disclose kuri dia nai ko ase itu karni Russia khan tu NATO troops logina Russia ti destruction anibole prevent kurbo karni Russia defense ministry announce kudigina development tactical nuclear banduk hater test kurgina western official provocative statement and threaten bachai lobo ko ase aro President Putin pi drill exercise kurbole odor kurdishe koina statement pailuya ase third phase of Lok Sabha pool ja thaka homoiti ajilaga pulinti Top Leader of Home Minister Amit Shah, Health and Family Welfare Minister Manush Mendiyawa, Civil Aviation Minister SC India, former Media Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chaudan Khanpi, 1,351 candidate 12 state pura 93 seat karni rakhilo bole thakati dekhibo pare ase. Release day ajibra to phase 3 pulin rakhilo bole ase aro aha moina takti vote rakhilo gina June date 4 bra to counting rakhilobo aro notun government formation karni program kurlo bole thakya viewers khan ke jonai dia ase. Aro itu video clip pai thakya toli Indonesia Sulawesi region ti flood issue karni 14 jon laga jan harai digena thousands of houses khan destruction ani disha aro hatsa oporti rescue operation choli thakya khobor dia ase.